Hope you're doing amazing. So I'm standing on the top of Cerro de la Cruz. You can see some of the behind the scenes that I'll show you guys in the video in just a second. And then also wanted to talk about different ways that you can get and stay healthy at home and as you travel the world. So perfect example is hiking. I just hiked about 30 minutes up here to get to Cerro de la Cruz. So it's a perfect activity you can do anywhere in the world. You can do your own workouts outside, like some of the recent ones that I've shared, and you can use the Peloton app. You can join our Create It Summit, where we showcase hands-on wellness, faith, marketing, business, and travel. And then you can go grocery shopping, whether it's on Instacart at home to make healthier choices, or locally so you can cook more, like what I've been doing, making Herbalife protein pancakes with chia and oats and more, as some of the ideas to get and stay healthy like a boss.